You ask, when do you have to pay taxes? The deadline really is April 15th. And you need to be aware of that date if you have a home-based business, because even though you can file for an extension at that time, you still need to pay any taxes that are due. Otherwise, they'll charge you penalties and interest and all kinds of other things. My name is Tom Williams, and I'm coming to you from the Rocky Mountains of Colorado. So I'd like to answer that question, maybe give you some additional information that'll be helpful to you. The first thing I'd like to say is that you're really smart if you do have a small home-based business, because there really are two different tax structures in America today. You know, one is for people that work for someone else. Those people get paid on what's called a W-4 form, and if you're in that situation, you need to adjust that W-4 form once you do start a small business, because you'll be entitled to additional allowances. And the word on a W-4 is allowances. It's not dependents. A lot of people misunderstand that. And if you read the instructions, it'll tell you how to figure the number of allowances that you're entitled to, and that's really important. But you need to have your taxes figured by the 15th of April. If you do file an extension, you pay any taxes that are estimated to be due. And again, I would suggest you have a professional to help you with that process, because it's not as simple as maybe some of us would wish it were, and maybe someday it will be. But you can figure that and then pay the estimated taxes, file the extension, and then get straight when you finally do file the return. But the two different systems is, number one, you can work for someone else and the government takes their money before you ever get yours, or you can have a home-based business and you get to and you're entitled to all of the deductions for your business expenses, and those are all taken out of what you end up taking for yourself before you take your money, and that's a much more desirable structure to have. So you want a home-based business, but you do want to file your taxes on time for sure. Otherwise, there's penalties and other things that can take effect, and those will be a lot harder for you to take care of. So make sure you keep accurate records and use a software package. We use QuickBooks. That's my recommendation because it's really easy to input the information, and you can have your tax preparer help you create the categories for deductions so that the money goes in the proper category from the beginning, and that really simplifies how complicated it'll be for your preparer. There's a button and a link below this video. If you want to click on that, you'll see some of the things that I'm doing to help the situation and my obligation to pay taxes and how much you're going to owe. So I look forward to joining you on another video in the future. Make it a great day.